I recorded them earlier and they have made zero progress since the last time I was over here.
Yeah, baby!
It was a huge thing. you want it to drain, and then when you charge it again, it lasts so much longer.
That's pretty much everything you always want to.
Yeah.
You never want it. You always want to let it kind of go down and charge, or go down fully and then charge it once it's dead.
Hey guys, so we're camping on the San Marcos River. We got here yesterday, but I forgot my SD cards, so I couldn't record anything yesterday. I got a little bit of footage on my phone, but that was about all I could get. So today, this morning, my brother-in-law brought me over here to Walmart, and I was able to buy an SD card so I could start recording. We're sitting up there at the top of the hill right there. You can kind of see my tent. I'll show you more later. And my brother-in-law's right there. And I'm gonna try to do a little fishing before we tube or anything else later. You can kind of see across the way over there, there's another place called Sun something or another. We're staying at San Marcos River Resort, which is a pretty cool place. I've been here several times. I'll let you know how it goes. See if I can do this with camera and a pole in my hand. I'm not sure if I can. Look at that. Oh, he was on there. You see him? I have proof. Try that again. It's a really cool place. I really like it here. We've been here several times. Always try to think about somewhere else to go and somewhere else to try, but you know, when you know some places that you're comfortable at and you know how everything works, and you know, I know a guy that'll shuttle us from here for kayaking and everything. It makes everything so much easier to just keep going there. But I'm open to suggestions, so if you guys ever suggest a place that I should check out, I'll definitely look into it, because I want to try new places. I just don't really know where to go or what to try. So yeah, I'm open to suggestions though. If you guys tell me some place is cool, I should check it out, I will definitely give it a try. What's up?
Hey, so we went up to talk to the lady up there about dropping us off. If we get dropped off, it's $8 per person if you have your own tubes, and $14 if you have to rent them. But they only drop you off up there. They won't pick you up down there.
Yeah, sure.
I think, what do we need, 3 tubes?
Maybe. If I can, I'll just take the kayak.
Well, I mean, you can.
Yeah.
If you got your own tube, it's $8 per person for them to drop you off up there. If you get a tube from them, then it's $14, right, for the tube rental and the drop off. But they won't pick us up down there. But we can take trucks down there and park the trucks down there and then get them to drop us off. Right?
I'll go up there and grab a tube real quick. I just rent it by the day or whatever.
Well, they don't do it till noon. That's another thing.
Oh, they won't do it till noon? You see there's basketball goals. There's a playground over there for kids. There's a bunch of cabins here too that you can rent. This building's pretty new. They've done a lot of renovations here since the last time I've been here. The restrooms are pretty nice and clean. There's showers in there also. It's pretty good. There's a nice pool now. They used to have a pool back in the day, but this one's much nicer than what they used to have. They offer a shuttle service for tubing, so I think I'm gonna see if I can put my kayak in that crate thing and see if it'll fit. If it will, then maybe I can take it instead of a tube. They got tree houses you can rent also. You see Brad's truck. It's got his cool tent that he put in the bed. It's pretty cool looking. I like it. Here's my kayaks. And here's my tent. And that's JW's camper. We decided to drive to the put-in and take-out points we wanted to use to see if we could leave a truck there. In the end, we decided to leave a truck downriver, and Kevin volunteered to stay behind and drop us off upriver. We're trying to get all this loaded up.
Oh, hey, under my rear. Hey,
And Kevin's gonna take us upriver.
Zach, under my rear seat, y'all need more ratchet straps or anything?
See, John, what I'm talking about, it just goes on mine.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so your hand's free.
Yeah.
And it's doing 360. That's really cool. I wondered how you did that. I thought you were holding it up. Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah. Man, dude, I think does this thing typically get tangled up easy or no? Or you can usually pull it and just untangle it?
Yeah. There you go. These are supposed to be stable enough to stand with, but I wouldn't suggest it.
Yeah, right.
Watch out for this stuff. Ooh. Oh, the seat's not set correctly. His seat's not set correctly.
Get yourself centered.
I'll put it together.
Whew. All right, so we got on the water now after a little trial and tribulation from Robert over there. But we're going good. He's sitting on the low seating now. I think that worked a lot better for his balance. I thought he'd like the taller one just because he's tall, but it made him a little top heavy, I think. Oh, it's nice and warm. Water feels good. Try to do some fishing here in a bit. I might try that. Does that go all the way through in there?
Yeah,
It does? Any luck?
Yeah, a couple small ones. Might have to put a bigger bait on.
Yeah. Any luck, bud?
No, not yet. Need to probably switch up my
Lure?
rotation here. But he's being at home.
Yeah, that's for sure. Have a good one.
Hey man, thanks, you too.
Fish around here and wait for him a bit. Sorry, Brad.
Ramming speed.
There we go.
Don't worry, you got insurance. I got rope on Joe.
You're looking more level now, Robert. Oh, I'm gonna go left. so we started upriver from the campsite, and we're gonna go to the campsite. We might stop there and eat a brief lunch and stuff, and then we're gonna go downriver from the campsite, and we set a truck down there to load up and come back to the campsite. So this has been great, man. It's been fun. But I was looking forward to kayaking, and I got to do it, so I'm excited about that. That was real cool. Thanks to the guys for hooking up the whole shuttle service. We did it ourselves. Seeing a lot of bass out here. Pretty sure that's the beginning of our campsite. It goes down a ways, so we're at the very end. Yeah. Yeah, hi. Hi.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh, I got one right here. I appreciate it.
It's like watching a life pass before your eyes. You swung my child over what, Ricky?
So Brad finally made it. You're the guys are right there.
Oh yeah.
Y'all catch anything?
Robert did.
We'll leave the shade right here.
Sure. Robert claims he caught a fish. I'll take his word for it. How big was it, Robert?
All right.
Round two. You ready?
Oh yeah.
He's worked his balance issues out, so.
Oh, we go run and grab it.
Here we go. See if I can steer around these people. One of the guys caught one of the green kayak. He caught one. Just a bunch of small ones. Think we're gonna get some rain?
Yeah, I think we are, buddy.
Yeah, I feel it already. All right, I'm past the campsite, but it looks like we're gonna get a little rain. It doesn't look like it's gonna be a long storm, but it's definitely gonna rain some. Maybe. Behind me seems worse, but maybe I'll outrun it. I don't know. I'm not trying to. I'm just. So I guess we'll see how it goes. You can see the storm a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. I think we'll be out of it before you know it. Hopefully there's no snakes in here. So I'm trying to wait out the rain. The perils of kayaking and tubing. Still fun.
The tallest tree we could find and just anchor up.
That one back there was a pretty good one.
Yeah, it was.
Nice. Volume way down and it sounds better.
Yeah, just turn it down so you can't hear it.
That sounds a lot better.
Loud enough you can't hear it.
That sound is great if you turn the volume all the way down. Best speaker ever.
Rain is cleared. Hopefully for good, at least for now. Yeah. You got a frog on there?
Moss.
When you disturb that mud, it stinks.
And her tongue is like the devil when she tries to concentrate. Says she don't want marriage, but she's
Make sure you edit that out, Joe.
I just started recording when it's family friendly.
Hold back.
Man.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Well, now we know what's wrong with you.
Yeah. Oh, it's one person after another.
Hey, look at you.
You got one?
Oh, nice. There we go.
Go.
Nice.
Is that a catfish?
Looks like it with that white
Right.
Yeah. Watch it get, watch it get.
What up?
What's up?
Dude,
That was your contribution.
it was. That's all I got. That's all I got.
Get a couple steps in there.
We're sticking it again. Yep.
On the radar and stuff, but it's hard to tell.
How beautiful is that? No.
Appreciate y'all having me out.
All right.
Good to see you, man.
Hey, I appreciate you.
Yeah,
Be careful.
y'all take it easy, man.
Yes.
You too. All right, man.
Yeah. Y'all take care.
Hey, great meeting you.
All right, brother.
Appreciate y'all letting me crash your party.
Oh, no. Yeah.
So the guys all left today. I'm staying till tomorrow, so I'm gonna get in the water. I'm gonna float down to our camp area and just float with my life vest on and just hang out.
Oh man, I lost 2 balls. I had a concert last night and I lost 2 balls on the end. So this might just fall out.
Hey, well, yesterday he would have been stuck.
Man, I got three.
I'm the guy that rolled.
So I'm all packed up, guys. It was a great trip. I got everything cleaned up and packed up and ready to head home. I had a great time with the brother-in-laws and Leonard yesterday and look forward to doing this again for sure. It's a great time. Be sure to check this place out if you ever are in the area or looking for a place to camp. This is definitely a place to consider for that.